In this episode, we'll explore Pixelgate's remote control function and show how you can operate the switcher directly from a mobile device, tablet, or computer. First, press the Set button to enter the settings page. Then go to General Settings. Here, you can configure the network connection based on your workflow. You can use Pixelgate's built-in hotspot, connect through Ethernet, or join an existing Wi-Fi network. Once your mobile device is connected to Pixelgate's hotspot or connected to the same network as Pixelgate, simply scan the QR code shown on the screen. This will open the browser-based remote control page. On the remote control page, you can manage key production functions without staying directly in front of the control panel. In the control panel page, you can switch between sources, send signals to preview or program, trigger transitions, control media, enable overlays, and operate the show from your phone or browser. This gives you more flexibility when you are walking around a studio, checking camera positions, or managing production from a different location. In the sports control page, you can control the scoreboard in real time. You can update team names, adjust scores, and operate sport-specific templates directly from the remote page. In the input channel settings page, you can configure each input source remotely. You can rename network channels, assign sources, and edit network address. In the output settings page, you can manage stream and output configurations, including stream input and output addresses, platform settings, and other delivery options. This makes it easier to prepare and adjust your live stream without interrupting the main operation.